Alright, we're back again with some more Ratchet and Clank. And let's go. No idea where we left off last time. I just went to go have dinner. Pretty satisfying if I do say so myself.
There's too much anti-spacecraft fire to land a ship anywhere near you. I'll try to
Physics!
find the location we're looking for from the air.
Die, old men. By the way, old guys are awesome. I mean, the only reason why I like old people is because these two right here. These are old pros. Wait, weren't you guys coming with me? Whatever. And now on the spaceport. I believe you get a skill point for killing all these guys. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure you get a skill point for killing all these guys, so I'm gonna be a sick, demented bastard and kill all the townspeople. Why? Because I like it. Well, whoever said it was normal. Ooh, mine. Mine. Anything? Ooh, zirconators.
You got a deal.
Alright. No, they're not, overly fascinating in this game, but in a Crack in Time, however, oh, they're nasty little guys. My money! My money! Wah! Alright.
Alright, Chief. What can we do you for?
Let's see if we can get the Nano Swarmers. Or we can go see if there's any new armor. Oh! Helios armor. Engineered by the courtesy of Phalanxes of planet Jacindu, this powerful armor boasts 3 layers of chloroform and Duraplate Omni-Guards for added protection. Absorbs up to 40%.
Helios armor. Kirchu engineered, which means it's tougher than anything in 3 sectors. It's also quite slimming.
Okay, or yeah, okay. And I'll wait on that. I like my weapons. Well, actually, we've had this look for quite a while, so let's save our money for that. I know we're gonna be flat out broke, but whoa, teleportation. Skill point. The consumer is not always right. See, I knew what I was doing. I wouldn't lead you guys down the wrong path. I hate this thing right here. Okay, glitch out, no. What? Okay. I have no idea what happened there, but whatever. No. Boink. Okay, I know there's a way to get over there. I've just only been able to get there by glitching. Like that. There we go. Okay. I know this isn't the right way to do it, but I don't really know what's the right way. As far as I know, it's the only way I know how to get down here. Which, some nice little secrets down here. Gold Retranium? No, it's just Retranium colored yellow because of the lava color. I don't know, can we get back up here? Yes, we can. Alright. Oh, nothing over there. We got the police after us, yay! Apparently the police can't get us from here, so let's just use our little tornado launcher. Let's pull back. Wow, instant kill. No, bring it back over. Yeah, whatever, it's only 2 of them. Why can't I get in there? Oh. Okay. Well, I think you're supposed... I'm not even sure how you do this. I'm just, guessing here. When I first got here when I was a kid, I always thought this was like some type of beta testing area. I was like, oh, secrets. Because I was so sure that you weren't supposed to get here, and they just, happened to leave this part in. Oh, hello. Obviously, that can't be the case if there's actually sentient beings here. And, let's just actually, let's get some shields. Bombs. And one more just for good measure. Let's see, if you go behind here. If Ratchet would move, please. If you would move, please. There we go. But there you go. Another gold bolt is yours. And yeah. No, why'd you jump off? Now I gotta go work on my... Why would they even bother, you know, creating that effect if, you know, you're just gonna die in here anyway? Now I just really have to do all that again. That's the powers of, you know, live Let's Play, you know. That's the way you're supposed to do it, but I don't care. Okay. Anyway, back to where we were. I can see the police were still after us for no apparent reason. Random retraining them, okay. Oh, come back here, come back here. Wow, okay. Aha! Step, step. Booyah. Lone box. Boxes! Look at all the delicious boxes. Yeah, don't you know Ratchet eats boxes for breakfast? Part of his daily routine. I'm pretty sure this is where he's supposed to land in this little area. I don't know. I don't really have too good memory of this place. And let's use our little grav ramp boots, which we only use in the first level. This is our only other time actually using them. More retraining them! Yay! I believe this is where we can get into the buildings. That's the exit, which we do not want to go yet. Is there anything over there? I don't think so. Let's see, now there's a box over here that requires the grenades. Yes, indeed it does. Seems to be something shining over there. You know the logic of video games. If it's shiny, it must be good. Shiny means good. Let's go over there and see what that little shiny thing was over by the wall. Yeah, Leo. Heyo. Oh, it was just a glitched out piece of flooring. Wait. Okay, so that had nothing to do. Okay. That's a great start, guys. And the police guy is glitching out. Awesome. He's trapped in a virtual vortex. No. Doink. Oh, okay. I got a piece of the hollow planet from out here. Oh, it's a good thing we checked.
Piece of the Gadgetron hollow plan.
Anything up here? Nope. Alright. Die, robots. You know, if you see a robot, you must kill it. Let's get back into the rooftops, because I think we're just about done here. So doesn't that stuff look beautiful? Look at that, it's got space all around you. Pretty crazy, right? Alright, and alley-oop. Back over to the mainland. I think get on top of these buildings, I'm not sure, probably not. Yeah! Oh, hey, you can. Awesome. It's an awesome possum. So can we travel only by rooftop? I probably screwed that up. No, we didn't. Alright. We're going to travel only by rooftop, people. Oh, well, actually, no, we can't use this road. Oh, wait, I just realized. I get the new armor upgrade. Alright, this is gonna be awesome. Yes. Alright, now we got our nice little suit, and now we're all snazzy.
Good luck, sir. Try not to die in the lava pit.
Thank you. And there's nothing available for purchase at this time. Then we got a little nice, you know, suit here with a visor. Hi, guy.
Well, hey there, friend. You picked a dangerous time to be visiting Raccoon 5. Old Percival has shut down the spaceport until he gets his paws on the Lombax secret.
Any Leviathan souls around here?
Afraid not, Hoss. Suppose you can thank the Droffits for scaring them all away. But if you ever find yourself on Sargasso, I may have some work for you.
Yeah, okay. Do you know what these holoplans are for?
Well, I'll be. Son, this here is part of a highly classified weapon schematic. Tell you what, you bring me the full holoplan and I'll build you the weapon. Provided you let me keep the plans, of course.
Sure.
Well, looks like this series was discontinued by Gadgetron for being too dangerous. I'm beginning to like this weapon already.
You need to have all the pieces in order for him to actually work on it. Can you help the Lombax out?
Well, I suppose you could use this here gyrocycle. Of course, a businessman such as myself couldn't part with it without some sort of monetary compensation.
5,000 bolts.
Oh, sorry, friend. This here is a state.
Are you kidding me? How much money do I have? I said, how much money do I have? Ah! Maybe I shouldn't have went out and bought the new clothes. Okay, well, I'm a bit of a pickle here. I can kill all these guys and get something out of it. Can you sell stuff in this game? No, I don't think so. Wow, I need 500 bolts. Okay, I don't think I've ever had to actually grind this early in the game. Geez, you know what I think this is a good time for? I think it's time we paid a visit back to Planet Mukau. Yep. Yeah, why not? Because, no, we got a new piece of armor, we got some stuff leveled up, I'm pretty sure we're good to go. Loading screens, loading screens. I know I'm not going to be singing through every one of these. Because I know some of you find it annoying, I'm looking at you, Eggnog. Because I know future you is going to be looking at these videos. Eventually. Alright. Now, jump. We could go through all that again, but now since we've already been to the little tournament thing, we just take this little nicely prepared taxi. Take a nice little view of the area. They got little dice. I love the dice in the windshields, it's awesome. Nice little trees. Nice sights. Lake's not really moving. Oh well. Imperial Fight Festival. And no, you can't move around on this thing, which, you know, is sad. But whatever. Let's see, where we're going. Ah, here we are. Me. Let's go through the thing. Go through here. Alright.
Alright, Chief.
Let's go get some money. Smack of the disco.
Amateur challenger, a dozen murderous nannybots, and all the lemon slushies you could ask for. This is the most fun you can have outside of a Blargian prison camp.
Yeah, as you can tell, this is a lot easier now since we're leveled up.
Oh, a wrench to the skull. He just can't seem to land a hit, folks. This guy must be more irritated than a one-legged droid in a butt-kicking contest. A killer combo from Mustachio. That's gonna ring a few bells.
Alright. I was retarded moving my part.
Tired of losing crop after crop of jellyweed thanks to fossilmite infestation? Try Grumblenet's new and improved Long Ninjas, protecting your garden with the quickness.
that it? Yay! We actually completed it this time. I had to stay quiet there because I was actually close to dying. Return to Crusto. Why not?
Ladies and gentlemen, I've just learned that after suffering a humiliating
Okay.
defeat, Crusto wants a shot at redemption. I tell you, there's no sob story sweeter than that of a mechanical robot/fish thing's rise to the top.
Now we're under a time limit.
Hey, you're gonna put some eye out of those things!
Do I care? No, I don't. And that was pathetic. Crusto, you do not deserve a reward. And now my phone's ringing. Who could it be? No idea. Don't know the name. Anyway, get your dang's hands off. Now this is gonna be interesting. We must go flawless, without any damage dealt to us. This one will get annoying. In other words, don't let anything close to you. Alright, let's go. Hopefully you guys can't hear the things. Oh gosh. Get away!